Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to share your Telegram link or how to get my Telegram link. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram, then make sure you're logged into your Telegram account. Over here, you can see three-line icon on your top left corner. Tap on it. Then after here, you can see the option of settings. Tap on it. There you can see the option of invite friends. Tap on it. There you can see share Telegram. There you can see, hey, I'm using Telegram this. There you can see the option of copy. Tap on copy and send it anywhere you like. Instagram, WhatsApp, Gmail, anywhere you can copy paste it and share your Telegram link. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.